Greetings everyone, this is DJ. Hope you guys are doing safe and fine, and I'm back with another old project of mine from 2005 called Pin Bike Inside the Bulb, inspired by Sir Thomas Edison's light bulb and Indian Lerry, one of the greatest artist, philosopher and bike builder that I have ever known. Rest in peace. This particular bike, I call it as bike inside the bulb, just like a ship inside the bottle. And this particular bike is made out of ball pins, shaped and bent in the form of a bike in 4 different sections and assembled inside the light bulb. This particular light bulb, the model is pretty old and it's withering away due to the rust and loose tags. I do have plans of making a new one, a bit complicated one, and if you guys like to see it, ask for it in the comment and I'll arrange something on you guys to learn from it. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and do share your honest, respectable and loving comments. Stay strong with this virus and pandemic around. Don't lose hope, just enjoy and be blessed. Enjoy this fire montage and have a good life. Thank you.